This kit includes a 1,500-pound outdoor mag lock, an exit button available in 2 different models that you can choose according to your needs, and a power supply. We have kits for outswinging doors and in-swinging doors. These kits are for commercial applications. We recommend using them for projects like gyms, commercial, industrial, hospitality, retail, hospitals, schools, churches, jewelries, gas stations, and much more. This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find it physically in the package and on the FPC Security website. The mag lock sold with these kits is rated 100% to be installed in outdoor applications and is waterproof. Even though this kit comes with a bracket, you might need to custom make another one, or make some adjustments to the bracket offered in the kits. For your outdoor and gate applications, this mag lock provides 800 pounds or 1,500 pounds of reinforcement and secures your door at all times. This product has a 3-year warranty. The example that is given here is with a pedestrian gate, but this mag lock can be installed in all different types of gates. These kits are also available in 2 variations. One includes the VIS 7008, a slim-size indoor and outdoor waterproof request-to-exit button, while the other features the VIS 7001, a standard-size indoor and outdoor waterproof request-to-exit button. These exit buttons have a 3-year warranty. This kit does not include any type of entry device such as keypad/reader for entry. You'll be able to unlock the door using the exit button included in this kit.